Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can change playback speed on TikTok video. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, we can open our TikTok application on our phone and we can select a video that we want to change the playback speed on. And for instance, maybe I'm just going to change the playback speed on this video. So we can click on this arrow icon right here, click on it, and here we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the playback speed option. Okay, and here you can select the playback speed you would like to apply to the video, and I'm just going to select 2 times faster. Okay, and now the playback speed has been applied to this video. And I guess that's how we can change playback speed on TikTok video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.